Good morning, guys. It is October 7th, 9:50. Let's go over the market. Right off the bat, I bought some insurance right here. UVXY. I bought it this morning. I know this spike in the market is temporary. I think it's just going to come back down again. This month is going to be volatile, so we're going to take advantage of it, and we're going to do a lot of these VIX buys and sells. Another VIX right here, VXX. I did a little bit more. Let's go to here's another one, SQQ. It's the opposite of the QQQ. I put 300 of them. Okay. Lowest for the 52-week low is 716. The worst it can get, it can go up to $7. So I'm gonna wind up losing 300 or 400 bucks, but it's okay. The upside is big here. It can go up to all the way to 25. So I'm in good shape. So you want to buy some of these as insurance, and of course, it's gonna cost you money. You're gonna have to hold on to it for a little while, but it's well worth it. Um, I decided to get the portfolio a little bit more cleaned up, get rid of some of the stuff that's not worth holding on to because we're looking for prime stocks to purchase, to work with. So my portfolio is a little less empty, but let's just go over what we have at the bottom of the list. First things in the bottom of the list. Okay. I told you guys about the ETFs. Okay, this is, let's see. I want you guys to work with these ETFs. I'll show it to you right now. Hold on one second. Just want to check out the Chinese stocks right here. See, this Chinese stocks is definitely they're on the move right now. We've got Baidu up 5.5 points. Baba's up almost 9 points. See, all of these patience is beginning to finally pay off. I could dump some, I think, with the gain. 6 shares, 81. All of these are gains. You see this? All the way up to here. So I was patient. I was continually buying this stock because the fundamentals of all of these stocks are strong. They're good companies. They're just in a bad environment right now. And that is why they were suffering. But I think the suffering has come to an end. And they're beginning to thrive. And they're beginning to move up slowly. I'm not doing a lot of buyings today. Today's the day that you need to take advantage of the day and then collect your gains. JD, I'm up over 200 bucks. So today's the day I'm going to build up some cash. I bought some RL yesterday when the market was down. Actually, in the lowest part of the market, I bought it. I could dump it, 20 shares. So yeah, you can work with these stocks. IPGP, good company. I bought some, beginning to bounce back. And of course, my favorite, Boeing. I'm always adding to Boeings. And as it goes up, I'll dump it. I'm short in Netflix, 11 shares in another portfolio. But what we're going to focus today, I think the best way to trade, generally, 90% of your trading should be this stuff right here. Right here. See it? Your VIX, SQQ, forget about this guy. Boeing always got to be part of your portfolio. IWM, PayPal doesn't have to be. DIA, QQQ, TQQ, and SPY. These are the ones you want to have as part of your portfolio. It's very important to have these because they're safe. You can short them if they really go up high, and you can go long on them and then trade them as they fluctuate. The good thing about these stocks, if something bad happens, a market crashes, and you have these stocks in your portfolio, it's okay. Why? Because they'll eventually bounce back. So it's got to be. I mean, unless it's like a coronavirus recession kind of thing that we're gonna have. Even if you have these, you're in good shape. But if you have companies that are really, really volatile, like let's say Netflix, they can go down 100 points in one day, where these ETFs would not go down 100 points. Okay. Right off the bat, I want to buy some more SAP in a down market. I want to pick it up. Um, Banks are down a little. I want to pick up some TD. Okay. Um, my insurances right here, they got down more up. Dow's up 400 points. That's okay. I want to pick up a little bit more of these. The way I'm going to pick it up, I'm not going to go crazy. I'm going to do 10 at a time. VXX. I'm going to do 10 shares. 25.50. When this thing bounces back, which has done that many times, it'll bounce back violently. I want to go also UVXY. I want to do 10 shares of that one too. Also 21.50. Yes, it's picking up. I can even go 48. 47. Not a big savings, but it's still a couple of pennies. And I also want to do SQQQ short. I want to do 50 shares at 8.15. $400 value. That's okay. These will come extremely handy. But if you overdo it, it'll be extremely dangerous. It's like a bomb. It'll right explode into your face. So don't overdo it. Just do it enough that your portfolio can handle it if the market continues to goes up and these continue to go down. Um, as I said, it's not a good day to buy. It's a good day to dump. I've got a lot of dumping to do. Here's a Chinese ETF. I bought it almost at the lowest of the 52-week low. This is one that I want to be patient with. See it? 100 shares, $39. It's beginning to bounce back. I can see this going all the way to 45, and I probably at 45, I'm going to dump it. TSM, big fan. I'll wait for it to go down a little. I'll buy some more. My SQQQ got picked up too. That means the market's continues to go up. But I think market will probably come down from the high of the day. APO. I don't know who this guy is. I think I'm gonna get rid of it. Okay. In any event, so that's where we are. Oh, here's another great company, CG Carlyle Group. I bought 100 shares yesterday. I dumped it with a good gain. I kept 22 or 20 of them. And this is a good company that I can buy heavy, go 100 shares at a time on a down day, and wait for a day or 2 days for a recover. What else we have in here? That's pretty much it. GoDaddy, I think it's time to pick up GoDaddy. It's at 70. So it looks like it's beginning to be on the move. So if you go to GoDaddy, I'm going to pick up, let's say, 20 shares. I'll be very conservative at 70 bucks. And it's okay if I don't get it. No rush. There's no need to rush anything. Again, we will pick up Netflix. I'm 100% sure we will pick up Netflix when it goes down on the next dip, on the next big dip. I can see Netflix go down 100 points, guaranteed. And that's where we're going to be there when it starts dropping like that. We're going to start buying them. Live Nation, no, I'm short on that. Let's see what else we got. Bristol Myers, no. And that's pretty much as there's not much else to pick up today. As I said, it's a selling day, it's not a buying day. So save all your cash. Z, we can sell some Z. Yeah, well, I prefer to hold on to it because it's really, really low. Let me look at my Z. It's somewhere in the bottom, but I know it's, yeah, right here. It can go up over 100 easily. I could definitely sell some shares at a gain. See it? 10, 11. I can sell 30 shares at about over $150 gain or more. But I'm going to wait for it to go up higher because it's been definitely been hurt a lot. Lockheed Martin is another one of my favorite guys. It's a little too late to pick it up right now. You're going to have to wait for the next drop. Zoom is a good time to pick up. You can pick up some Zoom. Not too much, slowly. NTS is another Chinese company right here. I'm up $300 on a $3,600 budget. What else? MasterCard was good if I could to pick up yesterday. I didn't get a chance to pick it up. What else? Wow. Here's an example of being patient right here. See this BAP? I kind of like got tired of it yesterday and I dumped all of it. Take a look. It only happens this way. This is the only way that market does. I think I sold 24 shares of it. More. Actually, I sold 44 shares. Well, I have 4 shares left yesterday. Well, if I was a little bit more patient, I would probably make more money. But I decided, you know what, I'm going to do something else with my money. I'm not going to wait around. But in any event, that's it for today. Market is crazy, crazy up. Build up on your VIX because that's going to come handy. I'm up almost 10G. Yes, you will be up 10G also someday. So be patient. Okay, see, my VIXs are kind of like getting crushed here, but I'm buying conservatively because I know if this goes down, when the market goes down, this thing's going to shoot back up crazy. So it's time for me to reward myself by a little bit more of my VIX. It's okay. Market will come back down. Nothing to worry about. Okay, that would be all for today, and we'll speak tomorrow.